Hey guys, look what I have today, the Big Banana Car from Matchbox. As you can see, it's this huge banana car, and even on the side it has instructions on how to put it together. So I guess it just doesn't fit in the box when it's completed. I will open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So here it is, the two pieces of the Big Banana Car. So here's the base of the car. It's kind of like the skeleton of the car. And then I'm gonna put the banana peel, or the banana, and I guess you just push it in. Has kind of like a soft plastic feel to it, so it's flexible. And then here's the completed banana car. It has a lot of good detail, you know, it looks like a banana with some ripening on it. Color is really good. I guess I didn't push this down farther enough. So this is a replica of a real banana car that a guy made in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I heard that the guy is very nice and a lot of people really like him. I haven't met the guy. Hopefully one day I will. But this is a really cool tribute to the Big Banana Car that the guy had built. I will leave a link to his website if you want to know more information about the Big Banana Car. I heard that it goes on tours around the United States. So if you ever get a chance to meet the guy and see the vehicle, it'd be a really good experience for the family. So even the real one had 4 seats, and this is a good replica of the vehicle. But very nice car. So yes, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.